So his dot was what? If I pass there a string, okay, suppose I'll pass true only a string, or else here as a string there. Okay, now fine. So run the code. So does not matter. Does not matter. Only thing in the string, if I pass 0 also, what do you think now? Huh? It is a string. Okay, empty string. String or not string? So when you're passing empty string means what? Null, null, null. Go to character wise, character wise. If having a space now, true or false? Okay, but that much that they won't go. But this fellow when we told there. So again, I have to make this lengthy. 1, 2, 3. First one without number, with space, without space. So tell the answers now. First one answer, you know. First answer is what? True. Next one, false. Why false? Because having empty string. Here what having a space? True. Here what? False. Because one of them is what? False. Here what also? False. Here none is there. So run the code. Fine. Make a note of this one. What doubts you have after class, or else this will become lengthy again. Super lengthy will become, because still many topics are there to be discussed. Okay, done. Next one, any. In any, observe again once again. In any, what I'm passing there now? True, false, false, true. Okay, just number there. So see first one, they'll get the idea there. True. Okay. What about next one? You know, false. Means what? All are false, false. But any one of them is true, true. Like just in the case of truth table, same thing here. In the case of all, if what happens if any one of them is false? In the case of what? All. In the case of what? All method, any one of them is what? False. If any one of them is what? False. The answer will be what? False. In the case of any one of them is what? True. Your answer will be what? True. Okay. Just make a smart note there, small note. Not important, but sometimes if you want to use in your program, you can use. But till now, I didn't find useful. Why? Because the topic there, built-in functions, that's I'm telling. Done. So in the case of any, if any one of them is what? True, what you get as true. So first one, what is the answer now? First one, true. Next one, false. Now, true. Let us see once. Run the code. So clear screen, run the code. Fine. Okay. Copy down. Boolean. So Boolean of false. Simple only. False. Boolean of 1. True. 0. False. None also. Bool of bool. True. Because I wrote there what is string there. Already think we done now this one. Not done also, just note down there. Only for what? Bool of false, false. Bool of 0 also what? False. Bool of none also false. For remaining things, what will come there? True. Done. Okay. Next, we have what? Eval. Eval, you tell me, because somewhere I have discussed this topic. Yeah. What does eval do? Eval will take only what? Numbers. Eval will take only what? Numbers. That numbers can be what? Either int or float. Will it take string or anything? No. So if sometimes you want to do mathematical operations, simply instead of using int float, you can use the what? Eval. You can use the what? Eval. Before input we are passing now. Suppose like before input there, if I just write their input, what type it will take? String, yes or no? But before if I write their input, what type it will become now? Int. Similarly, now I want to pass some numbers. The variable a should contain a equal to what? Input. What type it is now? String type. But I want it to take now what? Only what now? Numbers. It can be either int or it can be what? Float. So before input, you can pass it what now? Eval. Okay now. So very important. So now C1 Z eval 5 plus 6, and you have to pass that in what string there. So 5 plus 6 how much? 5 plus 6.7, 11.7. 11.7 minus 1, 10.7. But if I don't pass in the strings, will not work. See there. So clear skin there. Run the code. Working there? No. What it says, eval arg1 must be string, bytes or code object. Okay, string you have seen. Bytes means what I have to do there before B. Coming up? No, that is wrong way. What I have to do? Keep in the string. In the string again keep the what? B. Total I'm changing. Now somewhere wrong. Yeah, bracket not closed. So clear skin. But are you full to keep the B and those things? Simply before strings only working. Why you need to keep B only all those things? Yes or no? So it is time waste. Yes or no? This will be enough for us. So 5 plus, just you can keep the 5 plus. You can take past float value. Okay. So how much now? 11.8 minus 1. How much? 10.8. Okay. You can pass integer. You can pass a float value. Okay. What is the answer of next two ones? 5 plus 6 how much? 11. 11 minus 1? 10. 10 what type? Int. Then 4 plus 3.8? 6.8. 6.8 minus 1? 5. 7.8. 7.8 minus 1? 6.8. 6.8 what type? Okay now? Make a note of this. So next time when you're doing mathematical operations, if I say, suppose you're doing addition, subtraction, you should not have a doubt now. So if you take int, float, all those things, pass it what? Eval. Please don't forget, I'm saying once again, okay? Don't forget to apply for after class for NQT. Because already you know what going to happen in the future also. Not future, this month only, no. Why talking about future? All these things lies again. No, Omni-van. So once you crack, khatam. Setting, you'll get the amount. Or wait, as you wish. There are 90% people, not 90%. Okay, suppose 500 is the company employees. A number of employees in the company, how much? 500. 90% will be there who are getting the amount free. How much free you think? 10,000, 20,000? Huh? Okay, copied. Why? Because I told one there. I told learn coding. So they told more than a coding, we only earn amount. Because they have a daughter. So I told why didn't make her sit in the class now? She'll have knowledge. She's in 9th, 8th, I don't know. 1 hour will get that much amount. 1 hour this shaping khatam, they'll get that much amount. So that much time also they won't want to waste. So you can get inspiration from people. Okay, don't waste time. So sum is a method again there, you know. What is 1 plus 2 plus 3? 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Okay, what about in this case? 50 plus 10. 60.5. Sum, yes or no? Run the code. So do you need to import math, all those things? No. But for PROD there are PROD product? No. We have to compulsory import math. Copied? More 5 to 6 minutes. Okay. You should tell me the answer. I won't say. What will I get now? First what to 4. Vertical, horizontal, how? Vertical. First 4, then 3, then 2, then what? 1. So if you don't know slicing or you don't know reverse, this also can do. Okay. Make a note of this one. So you can reverse list also, you can reverse what? Tuple also. That is what next below I have the same thing there. And the case of, what is the answer of 47th line? 47th. First what? 40, then 30, then 20, then what? 10. So let me just scroll up there and minimize. So run the code. Okay, now. Done. Okay. Next, enumerate. Very, very important. Now you focus. And don't blame me why I not told starting. Because starting, if I have told, you would have not focused on what topic? Index topic. But now you can know the what is what index with the help of what? Enumerate method. So see once here now. A equal to what? Bread, milk, ABCD. And A is what type now? List is sequence or not sequence? Sequence. So you can say 0 position, 1 position, 2 position. Okay. Doubt is that just will run the code once. So now justify to print A. What will come? Print list type of A. Print type. Print type of A. What will come? Class of list. Okay. But now what I'm doing now? Enumerate and do type of B. First of all, what type it will come, do you think now? List only. So run the code now. What type it is? Enumerate. What does enumerate do? We'll see now. First of all, let me convert to what? Dictionary. If you want to convert to dictionary, or will convert to what? First list. What I'm doing there, converting to what type? List. Now see, what is the index position of bread? 0. Milk? 1. ABCD? So if I have many there, can we count there? But I want to know specific index position there now. No, there. So now you can use now. But previously we didn't use. Why? Because you won't focus on what? Slicing topic, index topic. We'll apply this shortcut and then do that. Yes or no? That is the reason. But now you have completed the slicing topic, index topic. That is the reason I kept here. So you'll get what? With the help of enumerate method, you will get the specific index values. Like milk position is how much now? 1. So you need to count now? No. Whatever you want to pass in the list. You can say the what positions now. How can we say the positions now? By using which method? Enumerate method. And enumerate is also one data type or not? Yes, enumerate is also one kind of a data type in the Python. Okay. You can convert to list, you can convert to dictionary, you can convert to what? Tuple. Okay. So when you convert to dictionary, what happens now? 0 will take what? Bread. 1 will take what? Milk. So on the code one, see there. 0 will take bread. 1 will take what? Milk. 2 will take what? ABCD. When you convert to what? Dictionary. When you convert to list, empty list, why? No, something wrong. So clear scheme. I think we have to convert for everything. Yeah, line by line we have to go. Yeah. So clear scheme. Run the code. Yeah, for milk coming there. Again, we have to keep comment for this one. Then we have to go with tuple. So run the code. Okay. So separately, if you want to print, you have to take in either when you have to show in one variable, then try to print them. So first you convert to what? Enumerate. Then you copy the first 2 lines. If you convert to dictionary, what happens? What is the answer now here? 0 is to bread. 1 is to milk. 2 is to ABCD. Or you can pass the what? Python if you want to pass Python there. So run the code. Copy this. And keep star marks. Very, very important. So whenever now you want to find the index positions, big list is there. You can't count. So use what method there? Enumerate method. And this is very, very useful in your coding interviews. Okay. Please, once again, I'm saying apply. And who are writing exams now? That fellow writing, that girl writing, light, buy for us. Don't keep that in brain. When someone writing exam, sit along with them. At least you'll get some idea what exam, what questions they're asking. Okay, now. Not from net, that question came, this question will come, mock interview, that question, that question. Okay, that I'll give you in the last. But do everything, same question will come in the exam. But idea will get what question they're going to ask. And let me clear this class. Done now? Okay. So convert to enumerate. Now let me convert to what? List. How will I get now? In the list what? 0, comma, bread. 1, comma, milk. 2, comma, Python. Copied. Let me show the answer for tuple also. So I want to this, run the code. This answer for tuple. And this answer for what? List. Base list will have what? Square bracket. And tuple will have what? Commas, but mostly with what? Brackets, parentheses. Okay. You're not audible, Praveen? Okay, done now. Now, what I'm saying there, C is equal to enumerate A, comma 5. Suppose they have the what? Bread, milk, Python. What I'm saying there now, A, comma 5 means what? Start from where now? Bread by default what is 0 position. Now I'm saying count from what position now? 5. So 5, 6, 7. So what index you want to pass, you can pass also. Okay. So this is the last thing there. That's it. So these are what built-in functions. So if I ask, name any 4 or 3 built-in functions in the Python or predefined functions in Python. So what are those? Sorted, any, all, sum, bool, reverse or reversed? Reversed. Then, eval, enumerate. At least 5 member, okay, enough, at least 5. So you can start the index position from wherever you want. If I pass -1, what do you think now? -1, 0. Okay, as you wish. So just you can pass and this pass it what to 5 or 6, whatever you want to pass. So 6, 7, 8 should come there. Okay, now. So now onwards, no need of counting what specific index position they know. If I ask what is this position, that position, convert to what? Enumerate, then try to print in the list or tuple, then you can say, so this is what this position, this is what this position you can say now. Okay, now. Then let me discuss 2 topics now, not this function topic. So in this programming part, I have talked about second part. Programs. File number is what? 31? No. 29? No. 33 to, yeah, function. Yeah. Say just make a file name there. Day 33 to 43. That's a file name. Day 33 to 43 is a file name. In this, we have done it what? Function program. In function programs, there is a folder there. In that, we have done only the first 2. What you have done? First 2. The remaining say have there. Okay, totally have what? 35. In this, how many we done? In 35, only 2 we have done. Okay. What I'm giving at you practice also will be enough. But so people who are not done Solidon, that is Solidon, you do and submit today or by tomorrow or by Sunday. Then for Python, if you're having doubt, what you have to do there? So askpython.com, askpython.com. I want to know about the list. Suppose you're preparing people, some people prepare them on their own for interview questions, some people for different companies, all those things. Now askpython.com. In this, suppose I want to know about what topic, suppose a function topic or list topic, whatever it is there, list suppose, or what I'll say, suppose function. Now clamp function. Now don't worry about this one, okay? Totally in the Python from where, whatever there. I told now, data science, machine learning, hacking, that this thing, all will come there. What topic you're doing, that topic can see, or else whatever there, NumPy or Pandas here, Python OpenCV. This you have in the case of what project there. Data frames here. How to pass a function as what argument. This is what we have done now, just now. So overview of loss functions. Just you can click on this one. How to pass a function as an argument. Then scroll down. Okay. Then for all these things. People having extra things they want to do, they can just have some knowledge here. But okay, so another website is what? Askpython.com. So why I'm saying this one? Suppose they ask you, you have to say, if I'm not able to find Python solutions, I am taking help of what? Askpython.com to find my solutions, or to get what? Improve my skills. To improve my skills and to find the solutions of Python, I am using the website called as askpython.com. Make a note there. So when they ask, tell me about yourself, what you'll say? My father name, my mother name, my this thing, that thing. Directly after 2-3 points, you have to start with what? Technical skills. That time to say, when I'm stuck with some solution or stuck with what? Some kind of a program, then I use askpython.com to find the solution of Python and to enhance my skills and to improve my skills. Okay, now again, don't ask in the case of resume, sir, what I have to tell there, don't ask. When in my mood there, I'll tell that. Khatam. Some keywords I can't say. My thing, your thing will be same again there. They'll get a doubt. Something is fishy here. How can you keep this thing there? We'll get doubt there. Okay, now. So one of the website is what? Askpython.com. And 90% people, they use what? Stack Overflow. Suppose if I say how to use function in Python, what will come there? First of all, Stack Overflow will come. See here, Stack Overflow. Some people use what? To Stack Overflow. See here, like this will come. Where tick mark is there, that I have to find this point, all those things. But many people will say what? Stack Overflow. If you're stuck with Python code, something there, how are you able to find Python solutions? So what majority people will say, I'm using what? Google there, where I'm using what? Stack Overflow. But what I want you to say, when I'm stuck with Python solution, okay, or want to know about something in detail, I am using what? Askpython.com. That is a documentation where I can know everything about it in depth. Okay. And even you make a note of what? Stack Overflow. So you can say, when I'm stuck with Python solutions or whatever program, I am using askpython.com and Stack Overflow. Okay, like this I have to say in a words. Not these things, okay? Again, I won't say these things. Because when I want to say, it will take very lengthy topic. Done? Then. Okay, why? Because this thing will be saying only to what? People are going for MS. People are going for what? MS. Then, okay, you're using two things. Okay, apart from this, suppose you want to know about the Python. Like some people use what? W3 schools for learning Python. Some people use what? SoloLearn. Okay. Then what is, some people use J tutorials point, Java T point. Okay. Some people use what? Java T point. Say Java T point Python. Some people use this one to learn Python. Okay. Java T point. What website do you follow for learning Python? Or what do you, when you find more things, all the stuff available for Python? So don't tell all these things. I have done my exercise coding part, all those things from what? W3 schools. Okay. I have even solved the programs and got the certificate of Solelearn. Then for knowing about the Python in depth, all those things, I am using what? Code Gripper website. Code Gripper Python, where I am finding all the Python A to Z solutions. So open this one.